Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on tracking expenses with Mint, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Mint app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transactions tab. Here, you can start adding your expenses manually if needed. To do this, click on the Add Transaction button. Enter the amount you spent and select the appropriate category. Make sure to label the transaction accurately for better tracking. For recurring expenses, set up a recurring transaction. This feature allows you to automatically track bills like rent or subscriptions. To make the most of Mint, link your bank accounts and credit cards. Go to Accounts and select Link Bank Account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial institutions. Once the accounts are linked, Mint will automatically import your transactions. This saves time and helps maintain accurate records. You can view your spending trends in the Trends tab. This will give you insights into where your money is going. Consider setting up budgets within Mint to manage your finances effectively. Go to the Budget section and click on Create a Budget. Set limits for different spending categories based on your income and expenses. Regularly monitor your budget to ensure you stay on track. If you overspend in one category, review your spending habits in that area. Look for ways to cut down on non-essential expenses. Mint also offers alerts and notifications. Set these up to remind you of upcoming bills or budget limits. Use the Goals feature to plan for future expenses like vacations or large purchases. Enter your savings goals and track your progress within the app. Review your net worth under the Net Worth tab to see your financial health. This includes checking your liabilities against your assets. Utilize the Reports section for a comprehensive view of your finances over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.